Okay, so now we're going to go and do a bit of a tour of the campus accommodation. We're going to go to Kilmurry. That's actually where I lived in first year and I had a great time, and since then they're after doing it up. So Kilmurry is about maybe 5 minutes walk or so to like the main part of campus. And on my right then is like the big UL sports arena. And actually part of that is the Munster kind of like rugby training area as well. You got loads of pitches down here you can use, there's a tennis court there as well. So there's actually really like lots of nice amenities. If you're a first year coming on to campus for the first time, really good idea to stay on campus accommodation. You're going to have a good time.
So as Patrick said, we're just going to take you on a quick tour of one of the student houses here in Kilmurry Student Village. So as he said again, they've recently been done up, so everything is state of the art, brand new and really clean and lovely. So firstly I'm just going to show you one of the bedrooms. Again, really spacious, lots of storage, everything you might possibly need if you're moving away from home and choose to study here. Nice big bed, lovely seating area, nice desk, really fast Wi-Fi which you need for all of your assignments and all of your study. So that's pretty much the rooms, really nice. Now I'm just going to take you through to the new bathrooms, all state of the art. Just a quick show. Nice power shower, really spacious, really clean, everything you could possibly need. And I'm just going to show you the kitchen as well. Again, super spacious. Listen to that echo, super spacious. Nice big dining area, all the storage you could possibly need, two fridges, and a nice big living area. So if you're going to have mates around, or if you're going to bond with your new housemates and make new friends, you have all the space you need.
And now we're in the village hub, which wasn't here when I was here. I think it's only here in the last maybe couple of years. But really decent spot. Yeah, like if you're after making a bit of dinner, bit of scran, something like that, you can come up here, chill with your mates. There's like 3 50-inch TVs, and then to Clod's right, my right, there's a pizza machine. It's worth mentioning also that next to the village hub there's a laundrette, and now we're going to start walking towards the sports arena just to show you how close it is to this village. The apartment that we were checking out is just down there, and then if we basically just walk up this way, the reception is to the right of where Clodagh is walking now with the yellow backpack. And then over on this side we have got the sports arena, the Munster gym, and literally just over that hill right there, actually I'll go up for the hell of it, we have got the running track. Over the running track then there's like a whole host of AstroTurf pitches, and basically past where the arena is, which is straight in front of me, is all the college lecture halls.